Hey, Nick here. Got a fun one for you. This is a highlight reel of a gig I did closer to home and just like a little bit more like business to consumer, and it was for a cannabis dispensary in Attleboro, Massachusetts. They found me on one of the event and entertainer websites that I'm on as an Emcee and booked me for Oktoberfest. They had this big Oktoberfest gathering outside, and they had lots of different vendors from their industry and then like local food vendors and things like that. And they needed an announcer. I'm like, hey, I'm game, I'm available. It was fun. So here's some of my favorite clips of me just trying to put my best spin on some of the announcements and the promotions that they're doing. There's a big giveaway and stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. Check it on out. This is just another example, different format, different type of crowd, different industry, obviously, where I can lend my voice, lend my crowd engagement skills to help make the event more impactful. Check it out.
That is Phil Pacino, folks. The sweet, sultry sounds of Phil Pacino. He'll be with us until 3 p.m. this afternoon because, it is 2025 Zahara Fest. We're thrilled to have you all for an epic day of good vibes, giveaways, food, live music, and some of the best cannabis brands in the game. Let's get this party started. Yes, it's a little bit of an Oktoberfest vibe today, a little bit of a spooky pre-Halloween vibe. Let's lean into both of those, channel both of those throughout the day. And we want to give a big shout out to all of our sponsors, the brands that made today possible. Let's give a shout out to our gold sponsors today: Perpetual, Strain, Jeter, Cloud Cover. Shout out to our silver sponsors. That's Fernways in the building, Simply Herb, Tank, Resonate, Garden Mothers here, Ethos, and Northeast Alternatives. Every single one of these sponsors is here to talk to you about their brands, their formats, their strains. Check them out. They're here, and all of your helpful bud tenders inside Zahara are also there to answer your questions. So be sure to stop by these sponsor booths. They've all got swag of all different kinds. I've been checking them out as we got set up here. There are giveaways I'm going to be announcing today. We've got tickets to frightening experiences right here at home, as well as tickets to Universal Epic in Orlando. Please take advantage of our food and drink vendors. Remember, all alcoholic drinks should stay outside or in the warehouse. No cannabis consumption is permitted on site. Stay tuned, and a big welcome to all of our Emerald Club members as well. We've got some bonuses and prizes for you inside as well. I am MC Nick Sal. I'll be hanging out with you until 6 o'clock tonight. Let's make today a spooky, fun, and memorable occasion. Talk to you soon. And back over to Phil Pacino. Zahara Festies, it is 1:30, and you know what that means. We are 90 minutes away from our 2025 Zahara giveaways, folks. Let the anticipation build. Do you know what is on the line today? Every single one of you has a chance to enter and win. First of all, a $250 Zahara gift card. Do you know how much product that can buy you, especially at these bargain prices? It's a lot. Number two, 2 tickets to the Factory of Terror at Fall River on 10/29. And then the grand prize, folks, a week-long stay for 2 at Epic Universe, Florida, the spookiest place on earth. And all you have to do is go on inside, sign up with a budget tender, 1 entry per guest. But if you're an Emerald Club member, you get 3 entries. Come on now, Emerald Club, here we go for the win. We'll see you out there. 3 o'clock, we're announcing the winners. Stick around. We gave them all we got. It's a musical journey. We've all been on a musical journey. All right, folks, with our final minutes here, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. It is time. Zahara Fest 2025 giveaways. And these giveaways would not be possible without our generous sponsors. You guys helped underwrite this whole event, the giveaways, everything. We really appreciate you folks. And before I dip my hand into this basket of entries, I just want to remind you that in a lot of ways, if you zoom out enough, we're all winners. But in a more specific, tangible way, the next 3 names I pick out will be the real winners of our giveaway, but you're the best. Okay, now for our third prize, our bronze prize.
Hold the thing for him.
If you will, I'm going to ask Phil to do me the great honor, the heavy weight of holding your names here in this bag. Lots of names. It really could be anybody at this point. I'm going to reach out. Who's going to win the $250 gift card to Zahara? Who's going to have a very happy Halloween this month? Let's find out. It's going to be Gary Bassett. Is Gary Bassett here? Where's Gary at? Come on, Gary. Is that Gary? Gary, you just won $250 to Zahara, man. Yeah.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You excited about that?
Yeah, I am.
What do you think you're going to get?
Weed.
You're going to get some weed. What do you think about it? Some edibles? What are you talking about? Tinctures? What's your getting?
I'm a concentrate guy.
He's a concentrate guy. All right. Congratulations from all of us here at Zahara. You just won $250. Oh, man. I'm excited for Gary. That's good times. All right. Next up, stakes are rising here. This is for 2 tickets to Factory of Terror over at Fall River. We got a pair of you folks. So whoever's name I'm drawing out, you and one other lucky person, you're going to the Factory of Terror. Who's going? Caroline Darling's going. Come on, Caroline. Let's give it up for Caroline winning remotely here. Going to Factory of Terror. And now, for our grand prize winners. Remember, this is for all the marbles, folks. A prize that could very well change the lives of the people who are going to this trip to Universal Studios, free for a week. Who's going to Universal Studios? Compliments of Zahara and these wonderful vendors here. It is Errol. E-R-R-O-L. Just Errol. All right. Really wish Errol was here right now. It could be just a much more compelling victory, but we're going to be fair. Errol won fair and square. Hopefully they'll tweet about it or something like that. We can cheer him on afterwards. But congrats to everybody else who participated. Don't forget, you got the Emerald Club perks. You got lots more to win after today. But thanks to everybody who participated and 3 winners in the bag. Thanks again, Phil. And stay tuned, folks, for our next musical act, 2nd year in a row. It's Kyer Burns and the Kettle Burners Band, folks. Get fired up. We'll be here until 6 o'clock. Stay tuned.